Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to enable live chat on your WordPress website. Especially if you have started any multi-vendor e-commerce website with Dokan, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in your WordPress dashboard. So here is my WordPress website dashboard. Then you have to hover on Dokan, then go to the settings. Here is my website dashboard. Then first of all, we have to hover on Dokan, then click on the modules. In the modules section, we have to search live. Then you will see that, so in the live chat you must have to enable it. You see, okay, when you have enable, also open the drag in the another tab, you can open video. So we just enable the live chat, then go to the settings under modules and scroll down. Here is the live chat. You see, in here you have to settings the live chat based on your requirement. For example, you can set up Messenger, Talk.to, Tawk.to, WhatsApp, any method from these four methods. So you have four options to add live chat. I recommend to use Talk.to or Tawk.to. Then you have to add your app API. To get app API, you have to click on here, get your app API. Then you will find the option. In the same way, you will get your app secret from here. So to get app API and app secret key, you have to open your account in here, Talk.to. Then you can easily create your app API and app secret key that you can use in here. If you want to show chat button on vendor page, you have to enable this one. And finally, if you want to show chat button on product page, you have to select above product tab, inside product tab, or don't show. And finally, you have to click on the save. Okay, so I hope you understand everything how to enable live chat on your WooCommerce website, especially while with Dokan. Also, you will get a lot of information by reading this document or following this document. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress, WooCommerce, Dokan, Shopify or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.